Why 99% of traders lose money, and how to avoid becoming one of them. Let's be honest. Most traders don't lose because they're lazy or because they lack the will to win. They lose because they trade with hope instead of proof. They jump into positions because a chart looks bullish, because some random person on YouTube said it's going to the moon, or because they just had 3 losing trades and they're desperate to make it back. That's not a strategy. That's emotional gambling, and the market eats that alive. The truth is, successful traders do the exact opposite. They don't guess. They don't chase. They don't care about being right every time. They care about having an edge, a repeatable, tested system that works over hundreds of trades, not just one. The problem? Most traders don't even know if their system works. They think they have a strategy, but they've never actually tested it. They trade blind, then wonder why their account keeps shrinking. That's exactly why I use SwiftAlgo. It's not just an indicator. It's a complete trade execution framework that eliminates guesswork and tells me exactly when a setup is statistically worth taking. What really sets SwiftAlgo apart, and what almost no other indicator has, is the built-in win rate dashboard. It's not just a pretty graphic. It's your live reality check. The moment you load it onto your chart, you instantly see how profitable your current settings and strategy are based on actual back-tested market data. No more guessing if a setup looks good. You can literally see the historical win rate for the exact conditions you're about to trade. If the numbers are strong, you take the trade. If they're weak, you just head to the settings, go through the 6 backtest sets, look at which one has the highest win rate, and copy its settings. This changes everything, because most traders take years to figure out if their system works. With SwiftAlgo, you know within seconds whether the strategy in front of you has a proven edge or if it's just another random gamble. Here's how it works in practice. When a buy signal appears, I don't just click buy instantly. I check the trend panel at the bottom of the chart. If the trend and higher time frames are bullish and the market is trending, that's my green light. If it's against the signal, I skip the trade, because sometimes the best trade you can take is the one you don't. Then, I simply set my stop loss and take profit at the exact level SwiftAlgo suggests. Those aren't random numbers. They're based on historical market behavior, which is why they're so effective. The other reason traders lose? They can't filter noise. They overload their charts with indicators that contradict each other. SwiftAlgo solves this by combining everything you need into one clean, easy-to-read interface. Buy and sell, signals generated by an AI-driven algorithm, automatic stop-loss and take-profit levels, a trend dashboard for instant confirmation, a win rate tracker to keep you accountable to the data. When you have this, you stop trading based on feelings. You start trading based on a proven edge, and that's when consistency shows up. One last thing. Trading isn't about winning every trade. Even SwiftAlgo, with its crazy win rates, will have losses. But the difference is, when you know your system has a statistical edge, those losses stop shaking your confidence. You simply follow the plan, trade after trade, and let the math play out. Most traders never get to that point because they never see the numbers. They're stuck in an endless loop of guessing, hoping, and overtrading. SwiftAlgo breaks that loop by giving you absolute clarity before you even click buy or sell. If you're tired of watching your account bleed, tired of second-guessing every move, and tired of wondering why your trades keep failing, it's probably not your mindset. It's your lack of an edge. Get one. SwiftAlgo gives you the data, the tools, and the clarity you need to finally trade with confidence. It's the difference between feeling lost and feeling in control. And in this game, that difference is everything.